IOKUKI RC boats for kids and adults, remote control boat for pools and lakes with 2 batteries / dual motors / 2 charger cables and low battery prompt motor boat. Blue. Long battery life. The RC boats for pools are coming with 2 rechargeable batteries. Each one can play about 25 minutes with every 90-minute charge. 2 charger cables and AA batteries for remote control are also included. Low power warning: when the pool boat's battery Volantexerk RC boat for kids, remote control boat for pool and lake with LED light. 2.4 GHz fast RC boats with 2 rechargeable batteries, fast racing boats for kids and adults, water toy gifts for kids. HIGH speed RC motorboat. The Volantexerk H137 RC toy boats for kids and adults to race across the water with powerful dual motors, and its 2.4 GHz remote controller allow a 164 feet signal range. Durable remote control toys boats for pool, lake, small ponds and rivers. One of the hardest and fastest freshwater remote control boats toy gift for kids. IOKUKI RC boats for kids and adults with mist spray, 2.4G remote control boat for pools and lakes with rechargeable battery / dual motors / low battery prompt / waterproof. Green. RC boats with mist spray and lights. When presses the spray button on the RC, the radio-controlled boat can continue to spray water mist. The spray will be more visible and beautiful with the lights on the stern at night. Instead of adding water to the sprayer, the boat RC boat for kids, SYMA 2.4 GHz Q10 remote control boats for pools and lakes with 40 minutes playtime, double power, low battery. Reminder: speed motorboat toys gift for boys, girls, beginners, adults. RC boat for beginners equipped with dual high-speed motors and provided strong power. The remote motorboat could run more stable. Its speed is up to 10 km per second, and the remote control distance is near 50 m. Gizmovine remote control boats for pools and lakes, Crocodile 3-in-1 RC animal boats with 20+ mph speed, low battery alarm, capsize recovery. 2.4 GHz snakehead racing boat gift for kids and adults. High-speed racing RC boat, maximum speed up to 20 miles per hour, for channel. 2.4 GHz RC with a control range of 164 ft, 50